Okay, I'm here at Shiloh. I finally found a break in the weather where I could pick up my plane. They were nice enough to put it in a hangar for me while I worked out how to come down and get it. The weather is not cooperating. It's been lousy every weekend, and it's lousy this weekend. Today is Friday. I found a break in the weather. You can see it's nice, clear, blue skies. There's not a whole lot of wind. So I'm gonna get ready, and I've already done the pre-flight. Gonna do a run-up, and I'll see you in the air.
Shallow traffic, system 416 goes crossing midfield. Runway 31, shallow traffic.
Traffic for 31, could you repeat where you are?
We're crossing midfield, and we're flying about halfway through the runway for shallow traffic.
Sounds good. Shallow traffic, Cherokee 5773, informed departing 31, heading to the north, shallow traffic.
Expro traffic, Skyhawk 5004, yeah. Approximately 10 miles to the north, inbound on the RNAV 21 approach. Low approach only.
Okay, heels to the floor. Engine's making power. Engine instruments are in the green. Airspeed's coming.
Shallow traffic, system 416 is turning left downwind 31, shallow traffic.
50, 60, 65, apply a little back pressure. Rotate, pitching for 85. There's my 85.
We'll be setting up to enter on runway 21, overfly the field, and entering the left downwind.
Chris, acceptance traffic, Archer 32103, left downwind, runway 35, we're in approach section.
I apologize for the voiceover recording. I had a couple of issues. One is, my front-facing camera fell off. I was just in the zone, enjoying being in the plane after almost 4 weeks of not being able to fly because the plane's been in maintenance. The weather has been bad on the weekends, which is the only time that I can fly. And so it was only supposed to be down there for 2 weeks, but when I went to go get it, I was not able to due to weather. Then I went on a vacation and came back and was going to get it this weekend, but again, there was going to be some weather. So I took off a day from work today so I could go down and get it because the weather was going to be nice today. So I almost forgot that the cameras were in the plane and on. And then it fell off the windshield there and reminded me that I was going to say some things about the annual maintenance. So just got the plane out of annual maintenance. They didn't find any issues with the plane. There is one thing they want me to keep an eye on. So there was a little bit of soot around the cowling from one of the, I think, number 3 cylinder exhaust bolts was loose. If I remember correctly, they tightened that. Actually, I think they put a new bolt in and tightened it up, and just want me to keep an eye on it. They cleaned the soot off from the outside, and as well as from inside underneath the cowling was a little bit of soot as well. They replaced a bumper on the front wheel. When the wheel comes off the ground, there's a little bumper that rests on the shock. That got replaced. They did not do an oil change because I just did one like 5 hours prior to the annual maintenance. Put a new air filter in and just this maintenance type stuff that you need to do anyway. Went over all of the inspection plates and the compressions. They're all good. And so she's ready for another year of flying. And went down and this is the trip back from Shiloh to Luray, and so I'm doing a voiceover because the camera fell off, and I had a great flight. It was there was no turbulence except for a little bit. If you notice on the takeoff, there was a little bit of turbulence, but other than that, it was a pleasant flight. I haven't flown in 4 weeks, and I could tell that I was a little bit rusty. I'm a new pilot to begin with. Just got my private pilot certificate within the past few months, and so I made a few mistakes, but that's why I like making these videos, so I can look over them. They were minor mistakes, some things I could have said better with ATC. I forgot to say my call sign a few times at the end of my reply, things like that, but that comes with practice and repetition and just keeping your skills up. So gonna make the flight home, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do with the avionics.
So 50 knots, 6785.
Blue 65471, climb and maintain flight level 260.
Well, with any luck, this is the last time we're going to see this panel. Just got her back from maintenance, annual maintenance. Everything checked out okay. And now she's going right back in the shop for her panel update. So, going to get a couple G5s. Going to trade one of these in for a GNC 355. Going to trade this in for an upgraded audio panel. Hopefully this comes out. This is a splitter basically, so that it can go from one intercom to, or that's an intercom. It can go from one headset to two headsets. We're going to put headset jacks in the back. This is only a it has 4 seats, but it won't carry 4 adults, but it will carry somebody in the back if the weight and balance is correct. So we're going to put some jacks in the back for them. We're going to put the Bose powered panel power adapters in, one on either side of here. We're not going to put those in the back. Just going to put the regular GA 2 plug style. We're going to, I think this suction comes out and all of the stuff associated with that. And yeah. Oh, this old cigarette lighter is going to get the Garmin USB plug in it, because this is kind of loose, and so when you plug something in it, you can't get, it doesn't make good connection. It drops connection. So I'm just gonna get the USB, because obviously we will not be smoking in here, especially since we don't smoke. And and there's going to be a engine monitor put in here as well. So I'll get back to you with an update once this has been completed, but that's all I've got for now.